Hi there! Are you having trouble with parental controls on Roblox and want to disable them? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off parental controls so that you can enjoy Roblox with full access. So now let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is you just have to simply launch the web browser on your PC or laptop and then go to roblox.com. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Click on settings. Then look to the left and click on parental controls. That is between the subscriptions and app permissions option. Tap on it. In my settings, the parental controls is not set up. But in your case, if it is enabled and if you know the PIN, you can proceed. If not, you will need the person who set it up to change the settings for you. To disable parental controls, you have to simply toggle the switch off and enter the PIN associated with your account. Once you enter the PIN, parental controls will be disabled. Now that the PIN is disabled, you can change other settings without needing to enter it again. You might also want to explore the privacy section over here. Click on privacy to adjust the account restrictions and communication settings, as this can affect your Roblox experience. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider giving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.